Join us in reading the Bible in a year with the Blue Letter Bible Blended Reading Plan. On blueletterbible.org, hover or tap on Devotionals, and then select Daily Bible Reading Program, and then Daily Bible Reading Program Tutorial for information on the reading program, as well as installation instructions for the Blue Letter Bible app on your mobile device. Scroll down the page to see instructions for Android devices and Apple iOS devices. On your mobile device app, tap the top left icon or bottom center on iOS, select Daily Reading Plan, and then tap on the first scripture to read. Once you have read through the first passage, return to the menu to select the subsequent passages. After reading all the scriptures, tap the menu again, select Daily Reading Plan Calendar. Tap the checkbox to the right of the date to check off your reading for the day. To share, open the GroupMe app and tap the CCB BLB group. Tap on the text entry and type in your thoughts. It can be as simple as one word up to a short paragraph. Please remember that all members in the group will be posting, so keep the post as brief as possible so readers have the time and opportunity to read all posts from the group. Tap the blue arrow on the right to submit your post. One of the great features of the Blue Letter Bible app is the auto scroll. Tap the double arrow on the lower right and the screen will auto scroll the text to free up your hands to hold on to your coffee or even take notes. For the audio Bible on iOS, tap on the icon in the bottom center in the menu, tap Start Audio, and then select your listening preference. Next, visit calvarychapelbelleview.com. Click the menu toggle on the top right and select Bible in a Year. Links for the Blue Letter Bible and GroupMe websites are on the page, as well as some helpful information. Scroll down to the bottom to find the Sign Up page link to be added to the GroupMe Daily Scripture discussion. We hope you can join us on this journey through the Bible in a year.